Good morning, this is Steve O'Hare from Signal Centre, and today is Thursday, the 26th of August, and today I'm presenting our FX analysis on behalf of Signal Centre. So we'll dive straight into it. We'll take a look at the dollar index, which has had a bit of a pullback over the last few days, and we can see though that from a sorry, let's have a look at the daily chart. That's the one I'm looking at. My PC was looking at another one, and we've got the upward trending support line on the dollar index. This is a basket of currencies against the dollar. Predominantly it's euro dollar, and we can see that this upward trending support line looks to be coming in and looks to be retested. We've also got this swing low around about 92.50, where we are looking to test after this evening star formation on the daily chart. So a little bit further on the downside, and really looking at around about that 92.50 level as a real supportive area. Above, we're looking for prices to bounce back to 93.17. Still believe we're in a bullish trend, just a minor correction lower. Let's take a look at euro dollar. This will be moving the other way, and we can see we're in on the weekly chart, we're looking at this corrective move lower, and this week we've been a little bit more positive. We still think there's a little bit more left on the downside here, looking at 116.12 really as the target area for euro dollar. Taking a look at the daily chart, 4 positive days of price action, although a hanging man candle seems to be sort of like stalling this move. Sterling US dollar, again, we stalled at around about the previous support area. This comes in at a 135.66. Let's make it blue, and we can see the sell-off also stalled at a 38% fib. This was the 38% fib from the up move, so really sort of like just a minor resistance, a turned support on there. You see formation on the 4-hour chart, a potential inverse head and shoulders, so watch out for that. A break above 137.87 could lead to a nice extended move higher as that formation plays out, so watching that carefully. On the 4-hour chart, again on dollar yen, this is the trend line that we can extend now higher to get a good idea of where support is today. Comes in at 109.50, we're trading at 110, the figure. And also we're forming a bit of a triangle formation and really looking to break above this 110.22 to sort of see a close above there on the 4-hour chart to really confirm this break up in the triangle formation. So on the front foot, dollar yen seems to be sort of holding off a little bit better, or performing a bit better than euro dollar when it comes to the dollar. Aussie dollar, again, with a similar sort of formation, inverse head and shoulders potentially, but have we run out of steam at the top here? We can see over the last 12 hours, negative price action. Really need to capture ground above 72.80 before we can feel comfortable about kicking on. 72.37 is really the bottom of the expected range today. A break a bit below there, and that will open up a further move to the downside. A couple of other pairs we can look at. Euro sterling. Euro performing pretty well over the last week or so, and but has stalled, formed a bearish engulfing candle on the candlestick charts after a hanging man candle, so negative price action from a couple of days ago, and we have consolidated just below there. Real levels to watch: 85.42 on the downside. That's where we'll find support. Break below there should open up a move towards 85, the figure, and above 85.73 again, getting short there with a stop above. A nice way to play this range, but beware of the break. 85.73, a break there should really lead to an extended move higher towards the 85.93, 86 00 level. That's the coverage for today. Look forward to joining you again next week.